Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Today's eye makeup tutorial is inspired by Douyin eye makeup look that I found on Pinterest. It's really attractive. The combination of soft purple and light blue eyeshadow with a touch of golden glitter is absolutely stunning. Plus, it's super easy to do. So if you want to learn how to achieve this eye makeup look, make sure to watch the video until the end and let's get started. I use a very bright blue eyeshadow that has a truly unique and beautiful color. I apply it with a flat brush to the inner corner of my eyelid. My goal is to completely cover the inner part of my lid, similar to when we do the cut crease technique with concealer. However, this time we are doing it with eyeshadow. Next, I use a purple eyeshadow. I apply it with a fluffy brush to the outer corner of my eyelids. I have provided all the product information in the description section, so you can check it there. I find this combination of light blue and purple colors to be truly beautiful. This special shade of blue works amazingly well with either a light or dark pink eyeshadow. I'm a big fan of Douyin makeup looks, which often involves attractive color combinations with glitter. I frequently post videos of this style of makeup on my channel. Feel free to check them out. I also applied the eyeshadow to my lower lash line. Next, I use a black eyeshadow and I want to draw an eyeliner with a small brush. It doesn't matter if your eyeliner isn't perfect because I want to smudge this eyeliner with a fluffy brush to create a fantastic black smoky effect. My goal is to have a dark smoky color only in the area where the eyeliner is drawn. Then I will continue by applying a black liquid or gel eyeliner to create a winged eyeliner and make it more intense. Next, my favorite part is the glitter. This combination of eyeshadow colors really shines with gold glitter and I absolutely love it. I use my finger to apply a little bit of glitter to the center of my eyelid. Then take a smaller brush and dip it into the black eyeshadow again. Start from the outer corner of the lower lash line and continue towards the center. I use the false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and leave your comments below, or feel free to share it with your friends. Additionally, if you're interested in makeup and beauty content and enjoyed this style of makeup, I upload tutorial videos every week, so to not miss any videos, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.